Hi everyone, may bago tayong programmer. Kasi yung dating programmer andito. Natutulog. So, tingnan mo. Tingnan niyo guys kung anong ginagawa niya.
Papa.
Gumagawa ng website.
Avocado va.
VA yan, di va.
Oh.
Avocado VA.
Oh, sige na.
Go, go, go.
Copy the whole thing. No.
Whole thing.
Just
Hold this one.
whole thing.
This one, this one.
Sige.
Big letter yan, nak. Yeah. Big letter ang A. Big letter ang A. Kung anong pagka-type, ganun din ang ano mo, ita-type mo. Big letter M. Yan. Yeah. Solutions. S O L. Small letter. L U T I O N S. O N S. Dash. Yan, dash.
Where is that?
The sun is dash. Big letter E. Hey, look at your S. It's dollar sign. It's not small letter S. Look at your S. This one, oh. It's dollar sign. Ah, okay. Okay na. Okay na, okay na. Type it. E. Space ka muna. Mag-space ka muna. Before E. Space. Big letter E.
Small letter L.
A. Hindi E. A-T-E. Yan. Your Y O.
I know it.
Okay, go.
That one.
And then next,
Business.
business. B-U. Big letter B.
Wait, you said you didn't know how to memorize the thing, the key. It's a game lang.
N. E. S-S. Space.
Big letter T.
Okay. T. O.
I know.
Go.
And Y. Enter.
Exclamation. You know where is exclamation point? Shift tapos yung number 1.
Oh yeah.
Yan.
Press.
Oh, okay na. Papa, okay na pa.
Papa, should I enter it or no?
Look at the programmer here. Petix mode.
Then, another one.
Hey. What should I do?
Oh, erase that this one.
The thing, what?
Yan.
Erase
What
that
should
one.
you go?
And then copy.
Hindi yan kasali sa taas. Yan sa baba lang.
What should I do?
Copy this one. Your one-stop solution.
Success.
Go. Type it. Big letter Y.
Why?
O-U-R.
I know already.
Oh, go. You know already. And then it's too slow. Oh.
And one. Big letter O. N-E.
Dash.
Dash. Okay.
How did I make dash? Okay, good.
Space.
Space.
No, walang space.
Ah, wala. Okay, go. Big letter S.
Stop. Okay, I know that.
Please, ang tagal. 6 minutes. Big letter S, Jezreel.
Ever heard of inverted conditionals? You have to know this. They are different ways of
Oh.
creating conditional sentences without it. Let's say
L-U-T-I-O-N-S. Ah, N lang pala. Wala ng S. T-I-O-N space 4. F-O-R lang.
Big or small?
Small. Space. Big letter D. I. Digital. Space again. G. Big letter G.
Was that growth?
Yeah, growth.
I can spell that.
Go. Was that growth? Thank you.
It was
Uy, may W. Yung growth man, G-R-O-T-H. T-H, hindi G-H. G-R-O-T-H. Alisin mo yung G. May G ka nilagay before T. T-H. T. T-H? Space. End. Alam mong symbol ng end? Saan? Yan nga. Oh, yeah. Shift 7. Yan. Space. Big letter B. Gayahin mo lang yan. Oh, small letters. Business. N. And then space. Success. You know how to spell success? Huh? Jezreel? Alam, tinignan mo na eh. S-U C-C. Yun. Papa, tapos na.